This is your host, Noor Ali, Right IT Tools for Right Job. So don't they say in this world, lead by example? Okay, if you're a true leader, you will lead by example and you'll show the people the way, right? Then people will start trusting you and believing in you that yes, this guy's a leader, this guy knows what he's talking about, and he knows how to educate, he knows how to teach, he knows how to grow himself and others. So my motto is what in life now? Learn, teach, educate, grow, share. Learn, teach, educate, grow, and share. Learn, teach, educate, grow, and share. If you like my content, like it. You don't have to subscribe it. I ain't gonna beg for it, right? You like my content, share it. The more you share, the more I will grow. The more you will grow. This is your host, Noor Ali, Right IT Tools for Right Job. Thank you.